Let's see the 59th question. The 59th question is about cooperative banks. Okay. So very anticipated topic. Due to several reasons, cooperative banks were in news. Okay, so question was expected on cooperative societies and cooperative banks. Let's go through the question first. The question is statement form of question, and we have two statements. And let's read the statements and then we'll discuss the question. Statement 1 says, in terms of short-term credit delivery to agriculture sector, district central cooperative banks (DCCB) deliver more credit in comparison to scheduled commercial banks and regional rural banks. Statement 2 says, one of the most important functions of DCCBs is to provide funds to primary agriculture credit societies. So these are two statements and these are the options if we scroll down. Okay. So this is the very classic question, classic example of why we should practice previous year papers and look into the previous year papers. Because in the previous year, you will find one such question asked on banks. And this statement 1 is in almost exact form was asked. Okay. कि DCCB, यहाँ पे DCCB नहीं था, यहाँ पे cooperative banks mention था and scheduled commercial bank. Only difference is that regional rural banks को इसमें ऐड करा गया. तो किसी ने भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को एनालाइज करा होगा तो कम से कम उसने तो इसको गलत आंसर नहीं दिया होगा. The correct situation is that with respect to agriculture sector, short-term credit in agriculture sector, it is scheduled commercial banks which provide more credit than any other bank. In some cases, it is even more than 50%. Okay, so scheduled commercial bank by far exceed DCCB and regional rural banks. So statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, this is fact. And ये इसके बारे में आप इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में भी देख सकते थे. एंड द बेस्ट वे वुड हैव बीन कि आप प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स को एनालाइज करते जैसे इस तरीके से हो रहा है. Another way, another statement is one of the most important function of DCCBs is to provide funds to primary agriculture credit society. So as I said that the topic cooperative societies and cooperative banks was most anticipated topic. Why? Because several reasons, several negative reasons I should say. So ये बहुत जरूरी था कि एक एस्पिरेंट को कम से कम पता हो कि कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स फंक्शन कैसे करते हैं. In every state there is a state cooperative bank which is at state level. Then under that we have DCCBs, district central cooperative banks at district level, and then at village level we have primary agriculture credit societies. So lending of loan is primary function of this institution, PACS. But from where it gets funds? The funds are provided by DCCB. DCCB arrange funds from different organizations such as NABARD, state, and any other institution for which it is mandated. And state cooperative board, but what it does, it regulates the functioning of DCCB and monitors and coordinate the functioning of DCCBs. Okay. स्टेट कमर्शियल बॉडी कोऑपरेटिव बॉडी का ये काम नहीं है कि फंड प्रोवाइड करे. डीसीसीबी के पास फंड्स आते हैं एंड दैट डीसीसीबी डिस्पर्सेस दैट फंड टू पीएसीएस. So this is the basic function of DCCB. Okay, one of the most important function of DCCB is to provide funds to PACS. That is absolutely correct. So statement 2 is a correct statement, and option B in this way becomes the correct option. Let's see the answer and explanation. Here we have the answer and explanation. Statement 1 is marked as incorrect statement because 75%, that's what I said, 75% state scheduled commercial banks are contributing to agricultural credit. Why is it so? Because see, scheduled commercial banks have to follow the, अगर तुक्केबाजी इसमें करनी है तो scheduled commercial banks have to follow primary sector lending. प्राइमरी सेक्टर लेंडिंग में आपको 40% पैसा एज अ लोन देना पड़ेगा जो भी प्राइमरी सेक्टर्स हैं जिसे गवर्नमेंट ने जिसे डिफाइन करा है कि दिस इज अ प्राइमरी सेक्टर. सो इन केस ऑफ प्राइमरी सेक्टर लेंडिंग scheduled commercial banks will have to devote at least 40% of their loans. So agriculture is one of दोज प्राइमरी सेक्टर्स। तो ऐसा शेड्यूल कमर्शियल बैंक के ऊपर एक ऑब्लिगेशन हो जाता है कि उनको 40% लोन पीएसएल में देना ही पड़ेगा, और उसमें भी एग्रीकल्चर इज अ मेजर बेनिफिशियरी। ओके, सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई 75% ऑफ द टोटल एग्रीकल्चरल लोन इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द शेड्यूल कमर्शियल बैंक्स। एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज करेक्ट। बीसीसीबी का काम यही होता है कि पीएसीएस को किसी तरीके से क्रेडिट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए जो फंड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको फुलफिल करे। This was our 59th question. Let's see the next question.